press the bell icon. Never miss an update.
Today we are going to learn about reflection of light. The learning objectives in this chapter are meaning of reflection of light, kinds of reflection, some terms related with reflection, laws of reflection, types of images, lateral inversion, characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror, spherical mirror and their types in detail. First, what do you mean by reflection? The return of light into same medium after striking a surface is called as reflection. Types of reflection. There are two types of reflection, that is regular reflection and irregular reflection. Coming to regular reflection occurs when a beam of light falls on smooth and polished surface such as a plane mirror. Coming to irregular reflection occurs when a beam of light falls on a rough or ordinary surface such as a wall of a room. Some terms related with reflection. Incident ray. The light ray striking a reflecting surface is called incident ray. Point of incidence. The point at which incident ray strikes the reflecting surface is called point of incidence. Reflected ray. The light ray obtained after reflection from surface in same medium in which incident ray is traveling. Incident ray is called as reflected ray. Normal. The perpendicular drawn to the surface at point of incidence is called as normal. Angle of incidence. The angle which incident ray makes with normal at point of incidence is called angle of incidence and it is denoted by letter I. Angle of reflection. The angle which reflected ray makes with normal at point of incidence is called angle of reflection and it is denoted by letter R. Plane of incidence. The plane containing the incident ray and normal is called plane of incidence. Plane of reflection. The plane containing the reflected ray and normal is called plane of reflection. Laws of reflection. A light ray obeys following two laws while getting reflected from a surface. The two laws are the angle of incidence I is equal to angle of reflection R. That implies angle I equal to angle R. Coming to the second law, the incident ray, the reflected ray and normal at point of incidence all lie in same plane. Types of images. There are two types of images, that is real image and virtual image. Coming to real image, the image which can be obtained on a screen is known as real image. Virtual image, the image which cannot be obtained on a screen is known as virtual image. Coming to lateral inversion, the interchange of left and right sides in image of an object in plane mirror is called lateral inversion. The examples of lateral inversion are shown on the screen. The characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror. The characteristics of image formed by a plane mirror are upright, virtual, same size of an object and laterally inverted. Uses of a plane mirror. The most common and wide use is as looking glass. In optician's room to increase the effective length of room. In barber shop for seeing the hair at back of head. In periscope, two parallel plane mirrors each inclined at 45 degrees with vertical walls are placed facing each other. In kaleidoscope, three plane mirrors inclined with each other at 60 degrees are used. The last use of plane mirror is in solar heating devices such as solar cooker, solar water and solar water heater, etc. A plane mirror is used to reflect the incident light ray from the sun on substance to be heated. Spherical mirror. A reflecting surface which is a part of sphere is called as spherical mirror. Types of spherical mirror. There are two types of spherical mirror, that is concave mirror and convex mirror. Coming to concave mirror, it is made by silvering outer surface of piece of hollow sphere such that reflection takes place from hollow surface. Coming to convex mirror, a convex mirror is made by silvering the inner surface of piece of hollow sphere such that reflection takes place from outer surface. Brief introduction of terms related to a spherical mirror. Center of curvature. The center of curvature of a mirror is center of sphere of which mirror is a part. Radius of curvature. The radius of sphere of which spherical mirror is a part is called as radius of curvature of mirror. Pole. The geometric center of spherical surface of mirror is called pole of mirror. Aperture. The plane surface area of mirror through which light rays enter and falls on mirror is called aperture. Principal axis. It is straight line joining the pole of mirror to its center of curvature. Uses of concave mirror. The uses of concave mirror are as a shaving mirror, as a reflector, as a doctor's head view mirror. Uses of convex mirror. The convex mirror is used as a reflector in street lamps and as a rear view mirror. Difference between concave and convex mirror. Concave mirror, the image formed by it is real as well as virtual. Convex mirror, the image formed by it is always virtual. Concave mirror, the image is only diminished for center of curvature. Convex mirror, image is always diminished for all objects. Concave mirror, the light ray incident on it converges after reflection. The light rays incident on it diverge after reflection. So by this, we completed this chapter. Thank you for watching this video.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.